Have you ever walked along a beach or a riverbank and felt a connection to the weathered pieces of wood scattered by the tide? There is something truly magical about driftwood. It has been shaped by water, sun, and time, turning what was once a fallen branch into a unique piece of natural sculpture. Today we aren't just talking about decor, we are talking about bringing the raw, calming energy of the outdoors into your home. Welcome to the world of driftwood art, a design style that proves beauty doesn't have to be perfect to be profound. Every piece of driftwood tells a story. It has traveled miles, enduring the elements to reach your hands. Unlike mass-produced furniture, driftwood offers an authentic aesthetic. Whether it's a rustic wall hanging, a centerpiece, or a custom light fixture, each curve and groove is a mark of nature's craftsmanship. By incorporating these elements into your interior, you aren't just filling a space, you are adding a piece of history and soul to your living room. Is driftwood so popular in modern design? The answer lies in its versatility. It fits perfectly into rustic, coastal, and even minimalist styles. If you have a room that feels a bit too cold or industrial, adding a driftwood piece softens the environment. It acts as a bridge between the modern world and the natural world. It invites a sense of tranquility. And when you look at a driftwood wall art piece, it draws the eye, sparks conversation, and creates a focal point that feels both sophisticated and grounded. And now, how can you start your own project? It begins with selection. Look for pieces that have character, twisted shapes, or bleached. Light colors work best for modern interiors. Before you mount them, ensure they are cleaned and dried properly. You can arrange them in a shadow box, frame them, or even mount them directly onto a painted wall for a bold, artistic statement. The beauty here is that there are no strict rules. Your intuition is your best design tool. Experiment with layering, spacing, and lighting to highlight the textures of the wood. At the end of the day, your home should be your sanctuary. It should reflect your appreciation for the natural world. Driftwood Decor is more than just a trend. It's a sustainable way to celebrate nature's resilience. It reminds us to slow down, breathe, and appreciate the beauty in the imperfect. So, go out there, find your inspiration, and start crafting a space that feels uniquely yours. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the art of driftwood. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, keep creating.